Oh, what the heck? Oh shit. Yeah, that's definitely someone talking. I have to go back. I literally heard someone scream right now in the middle of it. Take off. We're not taking the Honda Accord 2021, aka Alfa Romero. We can't take it because she's scared to drive because she's handicapped. We're gonna actually take that little Alfa Romero over there instead. But this one's a fake one. That's fake.
Stop embarrassing me.
Over here, this is where the real famous people are going. All right, so now we're stuck. We don't know where to go because the app's broken, and literally on both devices we have his device and the device over there. Shame shenanigans is saying that we cannot go, and I think it's because it's racist. I think that's part of what it is.
Who raced 2 people and 1 tonight? Thank
the
you.
challenger at stock base.
Shut up!
But did you win?
That's so insulting.
I'm just kidding. They think it's a compliment. Every time I used to do that all the time.
It is adventure time. It is. Oh gosh.
So we hit this old spot back then, back in the OG shit. So we went out here, and we had a light pointed that way over there, and there's I think it's this trail right here. As you can tell, it's pretty sketchy. I'm not sure you guys can catch on the video, but there's a small little tiny road. I think you follow this and you go through. It's literally just bushes. You won't be able to see anything. You go through here, and then on the left and the right side, we heard a lady like straight up start talking like, "Hey, hold the light." We turn off all our lights, like obviously we're not gonna have them on. We said something back, and then I waited for her, and nothing ever happened. She like disappeared, and we never came back. So that was basically the story for it. Spooked. She said, "I'm gonna get on Snapchat." She's over here like freaking ghosts and shit already. We walked over there, literally like not even 10 feet, and right there in the turn, you could barely tell, but it turns right all the way. Literally, once you go through here, you turn right, you can't see anything. You're gone. Like no one knows you exist. We were walking. I was in the back watching out for everyone, and I'm not sure if I'm tripping, but I saw a red laser, like for a gun, or like just like a red laser, like those little lasers you play with. I'm not sure if I'm tripping around or anything, but like I saw it, and I'm pretty sure I did. And now I don't see it, and now it's not doing it. I look behind me, and there's no one behind us that we're trying to do it. I don't know. I really thought someone was messing with us, but. See it? What? It's a tiny crate thing. What is it?
I don't know. I'm gonna keep waiting this time.
Oh, yeah?
What the fuck?
You can't. I'm by myself right now. Just want to check out the area real quick. It gets pretty deep. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking sketch, bro. This is some weird shit. Whoa. Oh, what the heck? Oh shit. Alright, now let's go back. No, because I heard a coyote. Yeah, that's definitely someone talking. So, we made it pretty far. We got a little bit into the distance, but we started hearing the woman's voice again. And I don't, because there's on the mic that I have for the camera, it's not like a regular mic. There's like an actual like little windproof thing, so it makes everything way more quieter than what you guys can hear. And also get more people, because we started hearing a lady inside, and it was a little trippy. Other than that, like the camera's doing something like it did in the tunnel, instead of doing the fuzzing thing, and it shouldn't be doing that because like it's not as dark. We're not in the tunnel, so it shouldn't be doing that. But we got pretty far, and that's pretty much it for now. Look, I'm going by myself. They don't really want me to go up by myself, but I'm gonna try to sneak in a little bit. This is really dumb. But as you guys can see over there, look. So this is the road right here. This is a little area right here, right? That's how small it gets. Just to show you guys. Look at it. So small. Like my peanut. Just kidding. JK. But it is small. And that's the street we got to. But look, just to show you guys to understand this, this is how it looks when you go. Nothing. Literally nothing. And when you go in here, obviously this is the only opening we get. And then obviously when you turn right, you don't see anything. I'm out. I heard something walking. I'm not sure you guys caught it on camera, but I heard something walking towards me. As soon as I stopped, it stopped. Everyone got back to the car. No one wants to come with me, but I heard a lady scream. I want to freaking go catch it for you guys. I have to go back. I literally heard someone scream right now in the middle of it. Watch, I'm gonna prove it to you guys. I know it sounds stupid me going back, but I have to find out. I know I heard it. It was a lady screaming literally 2 years ago. What happened was I had the footage and it got corrupted. Oh. What fuck is that? I think those are just animals. Right here. I heard it right here. This is where I heard the lady. There's like people behind me too. She went, woo! Like that. You guys keep showing the mass support. Really appreciate it, guys. We got more stuff coming. We gotta get more people though. This is a little sketchy, a little different. Looks like it used to be a trail right here actually. See? Like it follows a line right here. And it stops like that.
You can see the camera flickering on this part.
So the camera's already flickering here. Now when I go wide, so yeah, it flickered in the bottom right of the screen. Huh.